Okay, good morning students. One more video I am going to present to you now. There are two important problems. See, find the length of major axis. Find the length of major and minor axis. Find the length of major axis, minor axis, lattice rectum, eccentricity and eccentricity of the ellipse. Equation of the ellipse is given 9x square plus 16y square equal to 144. See, let me read the problem once again. Find the length of major axis, minor axis, lattice rectum and eccentricity of the ellipse. 9x square plus 16y square equal to 144. See, this is our ellipse. Given equation of ellipse is 9x square plus 16y square equal to 144. See, let me write in standard form. 9x square by 144 plus 16y square by 144 equal to 144 by 144. These two are cancelled here. 9 goes to 16 6, 16 goes to 9 times. Then our ellipse is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. See, which is in a standard form. It is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And also here a is greater than b. A is greater than b. See, for this type of ellipse, we have to find the length of the major axis, minor axis, lattice rectum and eccentricity. See, now you compare with this one. Compare with x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the standard form of the ellipse. Here, a square equal to 16 implies a equal to 4. B square equal to 9 implies b equal to 3. See, you can clearly easily observe here 4 is greater than 3. So, 4 is greater than 3 means the ellipse is okay. Now, we have to find one by one. Length of major axis. Now, for this type of ellipse or any type of ellipse, 2a. Yeah. 2 into a. A means what is a? 4 equal to 8 units. Next, length of minor axis, that is 2b. 2 into the value of b equal to here 3, that is 6 units. Next, 43rd one, length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. That is L dash equal to 2b square by a. 2b square by a. Substitute value 2 into b square equal to 9 by what is a? A equal to 4. So 2 goes to 2 times equal to 9 by 2. And next one, maximum lattice, okay. Eccentricity. Eccentricity equal to E equal to a square minus b square by a square under root. Or what is a square? A square equal to 16 minus b square means 9 by 16 under root. Now 16 minus 9 that is 7 under root of 16 equal to 4. For this one it is a root of 7. Once you go through the problem, see length of major axis equal to 8, minor axis 6, and length of the lattice rectum equal to 9 by 2, and eccentricity equal to root 7 by 4 units. Okay, you can write. They may be centimeter, meter, whatever measure, you can write units. See, it is very simple. The ellipse is given to you. You have written it in a standard form. It is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. You compare with our standard form. A square equal to 16 means a equal to 4, b square equal to 9 equal to b equal to 3. You see, you compare these two. This a square value or a value is greater than b. Then the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square equal to 1. You have to write the length of the major axis, minor axis, length of the lattice rectum, or eccentricity of the ellipse. Okay, you can write remaining also. You can write the equation of the directrix or center. You can write easily. Okay. Now you can take one more problem. See, this I hope this is for 4 marks question. Now I will take one more problem. See, second one. Find the eccentricity coordinates of foci, length of lattice rectum, and equations of directrix. See, find the eccentricity coordinates of foci, length of lattice rectum, and equation of directrix of the ellipse. Nine x square plus 16y square, 9x square plus 16y square minus 36x plus 32y minus 92 equal to 0. See, this is our problem. Okay, let me read the problem once again here. Find the eccentricity, we want E value. Coordinates of foci, means S and S dash we want. Length of the lattice rectum, it means L dash we want. And equation of the directrix, okay, L we want. Or L and L dash, second step, okay, we want. See, the equation of the ellipse is given to you. See, given equation of the ellipse, that is 9x square plus 16y square minus 36x plus 32y minus 92 equal to 0. This is our ellipse. See, we have to write this ellipse in our standard form. Okay. 9x square, you write all the x terms aside and y terms on the side. 9x square minus 36x. Okay. Keep them in a bracket. Now write y terms. 16y square plus 32y. Okay. Write this constant term 92 equal to 0. You take here 9 common. 9 into x square minus 4x. Here take 16 common. Y square plus 2y minus 9 to 2 equal to 0. Okay. You observe in brackets x square minus 4x here, y square plus 2y here. So here 9 into, here you observe a, this you can write this one as x whole square minus 2ab form. See, x square minus 4x. Here plus 16 into y square plus 2 into y into 1 minus 92 equal to 0. Once you check x square minus 4x. Okay. X square minus 4x. Okay, one thing, x square minus 4x, 2ab, x, this one is 2, okay. 2 2 is 4x. Here, y square plus 2y, okay. Here, this is a square minus 2ab term. Here, a square plus 2ab term. So, to make it a perfect square, you have to add 2 and subtract. You have to add 4 and subtract 4. It means 9 into x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 4. Yeah. 16 into y. To make it a perfect square, we have to add 1, subtract 1. Then y square 2y plus 1 minus 1 equal to, minus 92 equal to 0. See here, 9 into x square minus 4x plus 4. You can read this one as y minus 2, x minus 2 whole square. This is x minus 2 whole square minus 4, okay, 9 into x minus 2 whole square minus 4. Here 16 into, you can write this one as y plus 1 whole square, or right here only minus 1 minus 92 equal to 0. Or 9 into x minus 2 whole square minus 36, 9 4 are 36 equal to 16 into y plus 1 whole square minus 16 minus 92 equal to 0. Okay. 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square. Here write all the constants of 9 minus 36 minus 16 minus 92 equal to 0. Okay. Next, 9 into x minus 2 whole square, 16 into y plus 1 whole square, add 2, 8, 8, 14, 1, 1, 4, 1, okay, minus 144 equal to 0. Okay. 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square equal to 144. See, to write this one in our standard form, divided by 144. What happened? 9 into x minus 2 whole square by 144 plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square by 144 equal to 144 by 144, which is equal to 1. It goes to 16 times, this one goes to 9 times. Now our ellipse is x minus 2 whole square by 16 plus y plus 1 whole square by 9 equal to 1. See, this is our ellipse. Is it this one is in our standard form? You observe. See, is it in the standard form? No, this is not in our standard form of the ellipse. Why? Because we have x minus h whole square plus y minus k. So you can write this one as x minus 2 whole square by 16 plus y minus of minus 1 whole square by 9 equal to 1. Now you compare x minus h whole square by 16 plus y minus k whole square by 9 equal to 1. This is the standard form of the ellipse. Now both are 1 and 7. Now you compare. What happened? First one, center. you know center equal to h comma k. What is h, our h? H equal to 2. And what is our k? K equal to minus 1. See, once you see all the steps here x minus h whole square means h equal to here 2 and k equal to minus 1. Okay. Over. We have center over. Next, we want foci, length of the lattice rectangle, and eccentricity, and the equation of the directrix we want. Now, one see. Here, a square equal to 16, b square equal to 9, implies a equal to 4, b equal to 3. We have. Okay? Now, eccentricity. Let me find the eccentricity E equal to a square minus b square by a square under root. What is our a square? A square equal to 16, b square equal to 9, again a square equal to 16, which is equal to 7 root 7 by 4. Eccentricity over. Next, coordinates of foci. Coordinates of foci are s and s dash. What are the coordinates of foci for x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square? You know, h plus, directly calculate h plus or minus a by ae comma k. S equal to h plus or minus ae comma k. One is h plus ae and comma k. Second one is h minus ae comma k. See, h. What is our h? H equal to, we have h value 2. 2 plus or minus ae. Our a equal to 4 and eccentricity equal to root 7 by 4. I have already found this value. So 4 cancel. That is 2 plus or minus root 7. This is the coordinates of focus. Okay. Focus is also over. Next, length of lattice rectangle and equation of directrix are remaining. Next, fourth one, length of lattice rectangle. You know the lattice rectangle formula. 2b square by a. 2b square by a is the length of the lattice rectangle. Okay. 2 into our b square equal to 9. Our b square is equal to 9 by what is our a? A equal to 4. It goes to 2 times. This is equal to 9 by 2. Okay. Lattice rectangle is also over, and equation of the directrix. So I will rub here. This is the last equation. Equation of the directrix. Okay. Equation of directrix. You know h plus or minus a by e, because this is shifted this one. The center is h comma k, or h. What is value of h? Already 2. 2 plus or minus a by e. A 4 by what is the value of e? Eccentricity root 7 by 4. So this one becomes 2 plus or minus 4 into 4 by root 7. 2 plus or minus 16 by root 7. This is a directrix equation. That is x equal to. Or if you cross multiply this one, x root 7 equal to plus or minus 16. See, this is the equation of the directrix. See, he has given 2 plus or minus 4 for the 16 x. Here x, see once you okay. Here also we have to write 2 plus or minus x root 7 plus equal to 2 root 7 plus or minus 16. Have to take LCM. See, first we have to write the given equation standard form of the ellipse. See, this is the x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1 type problem. So you write all the a square value, b square value. After from that you find a, b, and with the help of this A, B values, you write all the values, center, eccentricity, focus, length of the lattice, also equation of the directrix. Okay, thank you.